Hi, this is me, Melanie Kate, or as most people call me, I'm Mel. Welcome back to another video. Obviously we are in the middle of lockdown at the moment, and though my hair looks alright down, I want the blonde higher up, and my balayage really needs doing, as in I've not done it in a good year. So I'm doing it myself because obviously I can't go out. I am not a specialist, so if you're brave and potentially want to end up bald, then do it. If you don't, wait it out. This lovely box here is from Sally's, and I have done a lot of research into this before I am doing it. But anyway, I'm going to spend the next about five hours in my bathroom doing my hair. Again, I don't advise this, but I'm desperate. Also, I have, I don't know if I can show you, this dodgy bit in the back of my head, which actually I'm really insecure about. I hate that bit of my hair. It's where I've got a cow's lick. I think that's what it's called. And so it's very grey, so I need to put the grey in my head as well. I don't know if I can see, you can see greys, but it is grey. So here goes nothing. I'm going to try and film the process as well. Like I said, I've done a lot of research, but here goes nothing. Okay, I've brought a bin bag. Well, I've not, I've got it from the kitchen, but I brought it with me to the bathroom because I'm going to wear it, because I have got like an old gym top on, which really doesn't matter, and I have got pajama bottoms on, which I don't wear anymore either. But when you have your hair done in balayage and you're painting it on, they always put a bin bag around the back of your head, so that's why I'm doing that. I'm in the bathroom so I can clean it up, but I'm going to have to do armholes as well as a head hole. I hate the smell of bin bags as well. It reminds me of being seasick in Tenerife. So let's see, let's cut a head hole out. And then armholes. This is crazy. Wear my dress. Obviously, they normally tie it around like it's like you're a superhero, but you know, I'm doing this myself, so. Okay, so that is my lovely bin bag dress. I've brought my iPad and my book, my Kindle to read. I've got my phone, I've got a drink. Just had my tea, my lunch. Okay. I've got two brushes, because obviously I've got to do brown as well as blonde. This is just a tint vial, and I've got two of them again because I need to do a blonde and a brown. So I've got two of them. This is scary. Right. I did buy a purple shampoo as well, just in case, but I don't think I'll need that. Gloves, because we all need some gloves these days. 6 hair clips to divide my hair up. 3 lots of bleach, because I didn't know how much I do know how much I need. I just didn't. My hair takes a lot because it's so thick, so I just bought that. And also, if this goes right, when lockdown's finished, I'm going to do my sisters, potentially my best friends. Then I have got this blonde toning cream in caramel for after, and this is the black, the brown for my hair, which is number 4 brown. Just looks like that. Then I have these bottles, which I had to buy. So I've got a 30 peroxide. There's so much stuff on the floor. And a 20 peroxide. Okay, let me get ready and I will be back with you. Okay, I'm ready now. I'm sorry if you can still hear the extractor fan, I can't turn that off. So I've mixed up my mixes as it said on the packaging, but not the toner yet. I'll do the toner after. And now I'm going to divide my hair into like a hot cross bun, so like into 4 basically, and use my clips to clip in place. Okay, AY. And then with this, I'm just going to do one section at a time. Basically, I'm going to start this side, then I'll do this side, then I'll do the back bit. I might split it even into more at the back, but I'm going to just take a small layer at a time. Clip the rest away. I'm just going to put another clip in this back bit because it seems really loose. Okay, now I've got 2 clips left, and I'm going to put the brown on the root bit, but then do some blondes in it, and maybe I might do some streaks of brown too because it's balayage, obviously. So this is my brown mixture, which I didn't mix much of, but I think the brown's easier to mix up than the thingy. Right, so I've just got some on my brush and I'm just going to paint it on both sides. And obviously my ends are pretty much the right colour, so just you don't want much on there, but then you just want to paint it on, I think. And then on the ends you want to put a bit more, but not a lot, you know, you just want to pack it on. Oh, I haven't got my gloves on, would help. More towards the front of my face, I want to bring the colour quite up, so I'm just going to brush that in. To all the hairdressers out in the world that are watching this video, not many I hope, I'm sorry this is offending you, but I can't afford the £200 right now either, so even if you were open, I don't think I'd come and have it done with you, because I can't afford it. I'm moving house and I'm trying things out, and then I don't need £200 in hair bills, which I might have in a minute, but okay, blonde. Now let's do it with this brown underneath. Okay, so now I am going to do this side, and then we'll be on to the back. That bit needs to go in that bit anyway. Right. Ugh. Like I said, it's got on my top, it does not matter, because this top is old and I don't wear it to the gym anyway. It's a long sleeve one, and to be fair, I'm not going to the gym right now anyway, like in proper life, because endo is annoying me. Okay, now onto the back part, which is going to be difficult I think, because obviously I've got to do it, not someone else. But that's the front bit's done. Now let's try the back. Oh, I've got a big bit on my face, just bleaching my cheek as well. Right, let's take this one out. Okay, right, my hair desperately needs a cut as well, just before I tell you this, but I'm not obviously cutting it. Look at my head. Now I wait for like an hour, 20 to half an hour to an hour, just checking it. Okay, it's been about 40 to 45 minutes now. It said 20 to an hour, and you can really tell that it is lifted, and I'm quite happy with that. So I'm going to wash it off now, which is just wash and shampoo, like I've just read the instructions, and then I'm going to tone it with this on damp hair, which I'll show you, anyway. But I'm going to wash this off now. Okay, washed it off, and you can see it is blonde. It's like caramel, which is what it should be. I'm tempted just to brush it because this is like crazy. Okay, I have brushed my hair out. Now I'm going to paint on the toning mix to make it caramelly. It's been 30 minutes now, so I'm going to wash this toner off. I hope it's worked. If not, I might use a no yellow purple shampoo on it. We'll see. So, because we started in this lighting, I thought we'd end in this lighting. I have just dried and straightened my hair, and I have to say the ends are really nice. There's some patches where it could be lighter, but I love it. It's covered up the grey as well. I read that you can put 2 toner colours in with the concoction to put it together, so I think I might do that next time to get some more of like the blonder colour in. But I like it, it works. I'm not actually seeing the back. And does the trick. It's perfect. Anyway, don't do this at home unless you really put the effort and amount into researching what to do. Obviously, I've had my hair balayaged before, so I kind of knew it from that, but I have watched and googled so much to work out what I needed. But if you're really that desperate and you can't afford it, do it yourself. It's amazing. I would say obviously get it professionally done first, so you know what not. And I think next time as well, I'd maybe pull some brown back through the bottoms just to break it up a little bit more, because I'm pretty sure that is pretty blondie caramel colour, whereas I had some brown in it before. So I would do some like low lights of brunette through it just to break it up a bit more, but I do love it. And I wonder if actually, see, would that suit me the whole way down? It'd be weird for me to have like honeyish colour hair. Who knows? Anyway, thanks for spending the afternoon with me in isolation for COVID-19. I'm really pleased with the result. Like I said, it's just trial and error, and I knew if it wouldn't work out, if it didn't work out correctly, I could just live with it for a bit. But I like it. Again, like I just said, I'll put another toner through it probably in whatever many weeks, and then maybe put some brown back into it later on in life. But anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.